Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing 211. And let's see, this box here is only missing a 4. For this column, we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. And this box then is just missing a 4. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so that's our 1. Don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this row, looks like we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That 8 means this is our 6 and 8. For this box now, we're missing a 1 and a 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. And for this row, looks like we're only missing a 4. For this box then, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 6. No help here, 2, 5, 6. And a 6 here, so 2, 5. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 3 here, so this is our 1. That 3 makes this our 9 and 3. For this column now, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing a 4 and an 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. So for this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. And a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 2. That makes this our 3 and our 9, and that 3 makes this our 2. And we can get rid of this 2 now. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. That 6 makes this our 2. So that makes this our 5 and 6. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 5, 2. And to finish out this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 and 8 here, so this is our 9. An 8 here, so this is our 4 and our 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.